That was real serious, right? The rate increasing did its job. Now we have a duplication to the upside, and from my point of view, this is just a beginning. I'm not quite convinced that that's at the end. It might start to do something like that. Big long wave number 3, like 1, 2, very big long 3, then 4 and 5 for new highs. Keep your longs watching daily chart, monthly chart, weekly chart all together doesn't give nothing but bulls, and I don't see any reason to try to do anything against it. This pair is the strongest as for now, and we can see that, right? We can feel that. Now we have a trade running for this pair, investor style. I explained why I prefer here to be invested. Two things, because when we started the long, the protection was not really clear, right? We talked about 084, 50, 084 as level. That's exactly when it bounced from. But when this started its wave down, 083 or even 082 started to look like possible levels. Looking back, it didn't reach it, and it is right now aiming for new highs. I wouldn't change nothing, just hold it. I believe we are going to retest the last high at least, probably even create new highs for this pair. Remember, the difference between the interest rate work only for to this favor. Okay, New Zealandian should gain more, and because of the interest rate differences it has against the dollar, against the euro, it has like 400 or 500 more points to raise at least. Okay, maybe even more. Okay, that's why I would be keeping here. Now, what about the short term? Buy valleys. I know it's simple to say so, right? But right now we have small bank zone right here. Every valley coming closer to this area. Here actually, these two small insiders, right? Every valley coming closer to this area should be an opportunity to jump in and go and take this long. That could be 1 hour chart, it could be 4 hour chart. It doesn't really matter. Should we go and try to sell this extreme? No, I don't think it's clever, honestly. You know, I love to sell extremes, but I don't love to sell such things. Okay, vice versa. Here, it's better simply to look for way to join. Now, if you take a look on the 1 hour chart, every drop to come, and it will come. The only question when from, where from. That's why we should wait and not trying to be heroes looking for this top. Every drop to come, whenever it's ready, compare this to lows, find a bullish divergence. Most likely it will be which type? Hidden, of course, right? Comparing two lows on price, two lows on indicator, then we can go and take this as attack. And protection is pretty simple now. Okay, the protection should be, of course, this low. Maybe I wouldn't respect this low too much because it was just news effect. This low is much more important. And aim to take in the final stage, as I said, 090, most likely, or at least until the daily chart will start to show slowing down with a divergence as well. So we long this pair, hold this, and for regular type of trading, drop down even to 1 hour chart. I don't think you should deal with 15 minutes. That's not where you find solutions. Okay, that's not tradable. Even though it looks like, wow, so tempting, right? So seducing. That's not tradable. That's not where you want to, not what you want to deal with. Better to stay with the 1 hour chart. And yet again, don't short, long every dip to come. Any questions? Any questions, friends? Okay. Now